Hey guys, welcome back. We're picking corn today, and we're gonna get a bushel going right here real quick, and we're gonna take this back home and start processing. We got about a good bushel here to start with, and we're gonna go process this guy up. All right, guys, we're on day number dos of corn, and we've got a little bit of help going on here. So we got Candace out here, and this is my Aunt Diane, and she is going to help us with the corn today. So right now, Candace is starting to shuck. And we got a little pile of corn, and we got a big bowl, and hopefully this little pile of corn and this big bowl turn into lots of corn.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by?
All right, we got our corn shucked, and we put all of our shucks out in the compost pile. That's why we were out there. And I gotta actually, this is what we call a hog pile, and this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So we're gonna go take this in and start taking it off the cob. We are getting this corn off the cob here, and we're just cutting it off. And we got Candace over here. She is getting ready to wash up a few jars. This is what we cut off last night. I did a bushel last night, so I got about gallon and a half or so here of already de-kerneled corn. How would you say that? Decobbed kerneled corn. I don't the corn off the cob. All right, so we're gonna get ready to put this in a bowl, blanch it, fill these jars, and I'm going outside to get our canner going on our turkey fryer.
Oh, wow, is that sweet?
See? All right, we got all of our corn off the cob here, and we're gonna blanch it quick. I've got a whole pot of boiling water right here, and we're gonna put this into our corn that we have in our ginormous bowl. And then we're gonna stir it well. Now you're going to want to blanch your corn before canning or before freezing. So we're going to take some of this corn and vacuum seal it and freeze it. All right, so that's good here. We are going to now start jarring up our corn. I just take a sketty strainer, kind of knock some of that starchy water off there and fill these jars up. You can add salt at this time if you choose. It's just for taste, and we do not add salt to our corn here at Gagne Farms, but feel free to do so if you'd like. So now we got our corn into our jars here, and we're just ladling hot water. I just put some water in a pan and heated it up on the stove until it was boiling. And I'm just filling the rest of the jars. Make sure to leave a ½ inch of head space on these jars. And then we're gonna clean the rims and put the lids on the jars, and then we're gonna go put them in the canner. Actually, we're gonna go put them in 2 canners because I got double barrel operation going today. All right, guys, we're out in the pole barn right now, and we got to do our pressure cooking outside on our turkey fryers. And we've got our canner here, and I got 3 quarts of water in here, and we're gonna double stack our pints of corn. And I'm getting a second canner going too, so we're gonna have 2 canners going. We got our 3 quarts of water in each canner here. I'm gonna go ahead and load these canners up and get the lids on, light the fire, and get the can in this corn. All right, guys, we got both our canners going here, and we're just waiting for them to heat up. And what you want to do is wait for the steam to come out of there. Once you see steam coming out of the vent right there, you got to wait 10 minutes. And then after that goes for 10 minutes, then we're going to put our 10-pound weight on, and then we're going to pressure can these for 55 minutes. All right, we've got our canner turned off. It has depressurized, and we're going to pull the lid, pull these cans out, and we got corn, guys. We're ready to rock and roll. We're still waiting on this canner right here to depressurize. We're gonna pull those cans out and we're gonna take them inside. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good, guys? There. Huh? So we're going to take these inside. We're going to let them cool off. And you're not going to touch them. Don't touch them all day. Let them sit there. And don't do anything to them. Don't look at them. Don't smell them. Don't do anything. Just let them sit for 24 hours. All right, here it is. We got 30 pints of corn canned up here. And we also ended up with a few small bags that we froze. And we had a dozen ears that we're just gonna eat on. So that's it. That's a whole year's worth of corn for us right here. And it only took a fraction amount of time that it did last year. We actually had lots of help this year. And I'm super grateful for everybody that helped to make our 2022 corn season a success. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.